you like it?
Oh, this one.
Go slow. First you need to find women's section, and in women's section you need to search. Is this women's section? Here.
Right?
Raincoat.
It's nice here. Windy, windy.
Want to eat something? They had food counter before there. They removed it.
Huh? Look at the dog.
Dirty dog. What to look to dog?
Where are we going? That one only they have it.
Earlier they had some counter here, right?
I don't know.
They removed it because they put generator over there. There was some counter already here. Let's go home. I need to food.
Guys, nakauwi na kami. So, ito na yung aming snacks. Siguro hapunan na lang to guys. At saka ito yung ginawa kong lasagna. Mukhang okay naman siya guys. Tapos habang kumakain kami, depende kung mabubusog kami nito guys. Kung hindi kami mabubusog is kakain kami ng hapunan. Habang manunood kami ng Netflix. Tingnan natin kung ano mapapanood namin guys. So, kain muna guys. Guys, time check. Mag 12:55 or magwa 1 AM na guys. Sobrang lakas ng hangin ngayon dito guys sa amin. Hindi ko alam kung anong meron guys. At saka ang lamig-lamig din guys. Sobrang lamig. Yan siya guys. Oh. Ayan. Binubuksan kasi namin yung bintana namin guys. So, screen lang to. Umulan pala siya guys. Kaya sobrang lamig. Ayun oh. Sobrang lakas ng hangin. Ayan. Kakatapos lang kasi guys ni Indiano manood ng kanyang movie. These lights, you will going to open na this one? Here in balcony? Huh?
No, I opened for you to record. I love it.
Yeah, you can
And
open.
toothpaste is here.
Toothpaste.
Clean it.
So, ganitong oras kami lagi guys. Yeah. Ganitong oras kami lagi guys natutulog. Or minsan naman guys, kasi bukas is linggo. So, naka-open to lagi yung aming screen. Ito, screen ng bahay. Para may ventilation. Sobrang lamig guys. Uy, parang naka-aircon ka guys. So, balik tayo. Ayan. Sana walang aswang. Sana walang aswang talaga. So, ganyan guys, yung ganap guys kapag gabi dito. Ngayon gabi guys is wala pa namang umiiyak na aso. Kasi mostly guys, midnight is umiiyak yung aso. Ngayon hindi umiiyak yung aso guys. May aswang guys, oh.
Oh, it's 1 o'clock.
Yeah, it's 1 o'clock na. Guys, may aswang na. Nakabukas yan guys yung aming bintana. Screen lang nakabukas. Pagkatapos, yung pintuan namin is nakabukas din yan guys, oh. Ganyan kami matulog dito. Nakabukas lang yung pinto namin para sa ventilation. Tapos, hindi na kami mag-electric fan. Kasi, sobrang lamig naman na parang naka-aircon na siya guys. Lamig. Lalo na kapag winter guys is...
You don't need aircon in Bangalore.
Hindi na namin kailangan mag-aircon. Natawa ako dito guys sa kapitbahay namin kasi winter na, papunta ng winter. Tapos naglagay siya ng aircon. Ano yung naisip nun guys? Nung summer is sobrang init na init is dapat nagpalagay sila ng aircon. Ngayong winter is nagpalagay sila. Kasi kapag winter season guys is yung presyo ng aircon is mura lang daw guys. Kaya siguro sila bumili. So no need na ng aircon dito guys. O kasi hangin pa lang is malamig na. So walang umiiyak ngayon guys na aso.
Where is my towel?
Ayan yung tulog namin lagi guys, oh. Alauna na, insakto na alauna na talaga guys. Ayan. So, good night sa inyo guys. Good night. Bye.